where innovation and collaboration have become synonymous with progress. One remarkable endeavor has captured the world's attention: a community of communities, comprised of over 50 NFT projects, has joined forces to create a professional quality book that transcends boundaries and expectations. Curated by the talented animator Minton, known for his work with Hangry Animals, this project is poised to reshape the creative landscape. The brainchild of this unique collaboration is the creation of a book that showcases a diverse range of brands and celebrities, all brought together under one artistic roof. But this project is far more than just a book. It's a dynamic initiative that sets its sights on reshaping the entertainment industry, expanding into cartoon animations and interactive games, and forming what is now known as the Hangryverse. The visionary behind this extraordinary project, Minton, brings a wealth of expertise in animation to the table. With a background in animation, he has demonstrated his remarkable ability to breathe life into animated characters. Through the Hangryverse, Minton aims to bring the book's contents to life in ways that will enchant audiences worldwide. This endeavor marks a seismic shift in the way entertainment is produced and consumed. One of the key elements that make this project truly outstanding is its inclusivity. By weaving together a tapestry of NFT projects, the book promises a blend of creativity and uniqueness that is unparalleled. The involvement of celebrities in this venture further underscores the project's star-studded appeal. It is a testament to the power of collective creativity when the most notable figures in entertainment come together to contribute their talent to a collaborative masterpiece. But the magnificence of the Hangryverse doesn't stop at books and animations. It is a multifaceted endeavor that reaches out to the community in a profound and impactful way. To amplify its social responsibility, the project has teamed up with the Yet program. This program, which boasts a wide range of initiatives, includes a segment that empowers youth to print t-shirts, equips them with vital entrepreneurial skills, and encourages them to contribute to their communities and generate revenue for their local churches. This remarkable synergy between the Hangryverse and the Yet program has the potential to foster a new generation of young entrepreneurs and community leaders. It bridges the gap between creative industries and community empowerment, establishing a model that blends commerce, creativity, and social responsibility. As this extraordinary project gains momentum and garners attention from around the world, it is not surprising that it has already begun to collect awards and accolades. The Hangryverse represents a new era in the entertainment and NFT world, and it serves as a symbol of the boundless potential of collective creativity. In a world searching for meaning and value, the Hangryverse is a beacon of hope. It demonstrates that when communities unite, when artists collaborate, and when entrepreneurs invest in the future, The possibilities are limitless. It's a story of innovation, creativity, and empowerment, and it's one that deserves all the accolades it receives. In the end, the Hangryverse is not just a book, not just an animation, and not just a game. It's a revolution. A revolution in how we create, how we collaborate, and how we uplift our communities. It's a story worth celebrating, a project worth supporting, and a movement that deserves the highest accolades.